So, we're out here in the Comanche Creek. It's been a long travel. We've got 2 shotguns, a 20 gauge and 12 gauge. And Sergeant Villarreal is going to show us how to hunt down some crazy birds. And we got one. Bam! Did he get it? No, I think he missed. Because he's a fucking idiot. Oh, wait. No, don't shoot through the house. But there's like 3 birds in the trees. I wish y'all could see this. I wish y'all were here to feel the intensity. This is crazy. I didn't think I'd ever be able to see something like this. We're totally putting this on Facebook. The hunt down of the wild. I think we're going to make our own show. But we have to be very, very quiet while we're out here. Because if we disturb the birds too much, they might not come here anymore. Now, Sergeant Villarreal, how do you feel about this extraordinary trip?
Good.
You feel good?
Oh, yeah.
Do you think this is going on Facebook?
Oh, yeah.
Now he's going to take over and film while I teach him how to shoot. Maybe not. God damn, he just shot a bird.
We got the amazing Jaces, which likes the penis in his butt, shooting a dove, and luckily he hasn't killed one yet.
Not more than you.
What an amazing day. What? He is really concentrating on this. He made an extraordinary move. He's looking. Oh, look at the little feathers coming down the tree. Two shots in one, ladies and gentlemen.
Two, baby, two. What is up? Get some. Come. Hey, so what is that, 13 to what?
It's like 13 to 10, bruh.
Huh?
13 to 10.
And who's winning? I am. Alright, that's good.